Okay, write down the value of 125 to the power of 2/3. So, I've done a video called Power Rules in the Algebra Age 11 to 14 playlist if you need to refresh your memory on how these sort of powers work. So, let's use our skills to get the answer. So we've got 125 to the power of 2/3. If you watch my video called Power Rules, you'll know that something to some power, in brackets, all to another power, is equal to, you can remove the brackets and multiply the powers. That's equal to x to the a times b. Okay? And we're going to use that here. 125 to 2/3 is the same as 125 to the power of 1/3, all in brackets, squared. Okay? We've gone in that direction, if you like. We've started with something that looks like that, 125 to the 2 times 1/3. And we've broken it down, we've introduced brackets here and written it like this, 125 to the power of 1/3, all squared, using that rule. Okay? The reason we did that is we can do 125 to the power of 1/3. Okay? 125 to the power of 1/3, that means the cubed root of 125, which is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 again is 125. So 125 cubed root is 5. So that equals that. And 5 squared is 5 times 5 is just 25. So that's the answer. 125 to the power of 2/3 is 25, using the power rule. Okay, if you do this question, or a similar question in your exam, and let's say you break it down correctly, but you just so happen to choose to say that it's equal to 125, and you put the 2 inside, squared, all to the power of 1/3. Okay, so that does equal that. That's correct. If you do go down this path, you'll see you've got to do a very big number squared, which is an indication that you've probably chosen to break it up the wrong way round. So if you see something like that and think, oh God, how do I do 125 squared? Just go back and try swapping these numbers around, break it down in the other way, and you'll see that it's probably much easier. So if you see something difficult like that, it's just an indication that you just happen to have chosen the wrong way. You can still go down another path and make life much easier for yourself.